Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Devi. Today we will learn about daily activities in pesantren. Let's begin. I wake up at 4 o'clock. I make my bed and then I go to the bathroom to take a shower and make wudu. After that, I pray subuh together with my friends. Then we read the Holy Quran together. After subuh, I have breakfast in the dormitory, and at 7 o'clock, I go to school with my friends. In the afternoon, I return to the pesantren and pray Zuhur together. In the evening, I pray Maghrib and learn kitab with my ustadzah. At night, I pray Isha and join my study with my friend together. Before I sleep, I brush my teeth and prepare my things for tomorrow. Then I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Great! It's very easy, isn't it? Now, you know how to say daily activities in pesantren in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Learn English with Devi. See you next time. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.